Hey, what's up, it's Bmw G82 back another video. Today I finally did it, man. I have finally caught me a Beamer. All the Beamer hate I was giving y'all, I had to do it. I had to caught me one. And yeah. And we're gonna go for a little test drive, and we might cut up a little traffic for y'all. So let's go do it. Free. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir, ski. Hold up. Yes, sir. Bam! Here we are, man. We're in my beautiful G82 BMW M4. And I'm gonna show you how y'all really supposed to cut up in it, bit. First of all, let's do it. Tight shit. Look at him spinning out. Don't know how to handle. See, you gotta know how to handle this. You supposed to know how to handle this bit for real. Look at me. Look at how I do it to him. I want y'all to hit a pops though. Y'all see them flames? Alright, let's really tap in. Cause I really like that. I'm really too nice. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like, I really like that. I'm telling y'all, it's a science to this, man. It's a science, very much scientific shit to this. And you just gotta be able to You just gotta be able to drive for real. And I feel like y'all don't even know how to drive. Like, y'all trying to talk to me about what I know, and y'all don't know nothing. Tight shit. Cause I'm really in here. Hey, you talking about? In there. Don't let me get one of these in real life. I promise you I won't be doing this shit. Haha, we in the games only. Just saying. How y'all doing though? See, like, when you really tapped in, you know what you're doing. You can talk and drive. I'm talking a little bit about a set of chords, man. I feel like this game, at first glance, it's one of them, like, what's circuit racing? Oh, the tunnel. I gotta tap in. The tunnel will always be hard. Fuck, shit, that don't count. Let me just turn back. Excuse me. Thank you. See, that's how I meant to do it. Anyway, at first glance, this game is like one of them circuit racing games. You just race around the circuit type shit, whoop de whoop. But then when you get a PC, you can add mods. Listen to this motherfucker. Hold up. They ain't that tracky hard. Hold up, y'all. Oh. They didn't make it. Oh, look in the rearview mirror. He did not make it. I'm gonna make it though. Oh shit. Turn, nigga. And when you get a wheel, bro, a racing wheel just changed the game. Oh shit. It really changed the game, bro, because it's about the slight little turn. That's what you need in your life, type shit. I bet y'all probably like, why you ain't never did a let me tap in. I use a shoulder. What about it? You gonna check me about it? Anyway, well, I would say, I bet y'all probably like, why you don't cut up in real life? You wanna know why I don't cut up in real life? Oh shit, because when you do shit like that, you either gonna die or you gotta pay like 10 bands. And it's like, who is out here just shit, y'all? Oh, I'm like that. Oh. Damn, I was finna hold. Y'all seen it. I was about to really hold that bit. I was about to really tear it up. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I tried to do alright, we're gonna go back. I think I can hit this bit. Hold up. Let me stop playing with y'all. Alright, let's do it. I'm bullshit, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm bullshit. But are we all waiting to cut up together? What's up? It sounds so good. It sounds so real. Oh, we finna go, y'all. Hold up. I gotta tap in, y'all. I gotta build the crew. Oh, let me shift. I don't know what I'm behind, but I gotta get up out of that old shit. Let me actually, yo, I suck at cutting up with a group of people, bro. I promise you I'm ass. I gotta see what's going on. Like, these folks be cutting up. I can't see a goddamn thing. I'm gonna cut through here. Yeah, tight shit. Let's check you out. Excuse me, my brother. Make sure I ain't hit him. Make sure I ain't hit him. I think we in tune. I think we in tune right now. Oh shit. Excuse me, let me get right past you real quick. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. Oh shit. I didn't do that. 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 My fault, twin. I ain't do that. I ain't do that. I ain't do that. I thought they kicked me. I was like, I ain't do that, twin. I'm sorry. I apologize. I ain't mean to do that like that. I will wait on them to come back. I'm using the shoulder. What about it? Watch towards it. Oh, in there for real. Sometimes it's not about going the fastest. It's about getting up through that lane. Scootly do. Tight shit. Oh shit, I'm really in that mode right now though. Y'all didn't see that. I'm really in that mode. Hold up. In there. How y'all feel? How's y'all day, man? Let me know in the comments, bro. I like this type of content. Y'all think I'm really eating this shit up? Like I said, I know y'all gonna be in the comments like, I cut up better than you, and like my clothes better than you, my drip better. I don't care. Look, I said I don't care. But what you not gonna do is entertain the folks better than me. Out of there, I'm in there. Tell you, I'm be honest with y'all. I ain't never cut up this good, but we in there. You holding it down. It's the M4. If I was in any other car, I would not be hitting this bitch like this. It's the M4 type shit. And that's the thing. People think you can cut up in any car. No. We got the G82 M4. Like, this is a performance-based vehicle. And I am moving at supersonic speed. God damn, I'm holding the road. I'm holding the road. In there, y'all, I'm moving. Oh, I can shift. Oh, shit. Fuck. God, hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. What'd I say? Hold it. I held it. Damn. It's all good, though. It's all good, though. I meant to do that. We up out of there. See, I thought it was sweet. I try to tell you folks it's not sweet out here, bro. We really like, oh, shit. Oh, shit. You gotta keep control of the car, man. In there. Fuck. Damn. I done hit the mic. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. We in that info, motherfucker. Damn. I honestly think that, like, when you can hold it in the road, you can make it to 70 years old. I don't know what I'm talking about, but shit. Come on now, we built for this. Don't let me get in no info. I was waiting for the day somebody's gonna let me drive their car, and I'm gonna do that right there. Sometimes you just gotta let it happen. Oh shit. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Fuck shit. Hold it though. Hold it. Just let go of the wheel, let go and let God. Just let go and let God. I just gotta do some time. Or not. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah. Y'all know we in that mode. We in it. Y'all know we in that mode for real. Y'all know we in that mode for real. Somebody clip that right now. I'm not lying. I should be though. I used to go live with y'all folks, but I don't do that shit no more. Let me know right now in the comments. Should I go live again? I just go live every day. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. It don't matter though. It don't matter though. Come in that info. Oh shit. Damn. God. Damn. I fell off the bridge. I never fell off that bridge. It don't matter though, cause we back at like we never left. Type shit. In there. The art of cutting up is just patience. Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn. Shit. Oh fuck. Alright, we good though. We good. Oh, sometimes you just gotta write up like that. We're gonna do a launch. Shit. Should I take off traction control? I'm gonna take off traction control. I'm gonna take off traction control right here, right now. Just because. We're gonna turn off traction control. Sport. We're in that Sport Plus. Oh yeah. We're in that Sport Plus. Yeah, I'll turn traction control off. Hold on, wait a minute. I think I did it wrong, huh? Hold on, let me go back to the pits. I thought I turned that traction control off. Did I not? Look, traction control off. Turbo 100%. Sport Plus. Let's do. What that do? Fuck it. Get out of there. Shit, we in that Sport Plus. This steering wheel got a lot tighter, boy. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Out of there. Look at him. Can't handle it. Can't handle the heat. Look at you. Couldn't handle the heat either. I'm in that M4. Shit. Damn, nigga. Let's do it, man. Let's do it, man. Oh, shit. I want to get it. I want to put the GoPro on my head type shit. Hey, y'all right with me type shit. Damn, hold on. Let me pay attention. 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 Trying to put that GoPro on my head type shit. Y'all alright with that? Out of there. Hold on. God damn, I tried to hang with my boy. And we back at it. Hey, you talking about? We're gonna find him again. Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. We're gonna find him again. Look at the heads up display. Oh my gosh. Shit. Alright, let's cut up. Let's do one good ass cut up before we get out that bit, man. Let me know, man. Before we end this video, man, like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification. Let me know if this is what y'all want to see. That didn't count. That didn't count. That didn't count. That didn't count. Ugh. This shit sounds fantastic. It sounds fantastic. Up through there. Damn! Oh shit! You finna go that way? You go that way. Type shit. Alright, we gonna hit one of these. We gonna hit one of these. We gonna get up out of here. We gonna go on the little 2-lane road. We gonna cut up a little bit over here and get a little 2-lane road, and then we gonna skedaddle. Yeah. Huh? I'm recording. What's up? We finna get ready to go. Type shit. I finna get the little 2-lane. Oh, this not it. We finna get the little this 2-lane motherfucker. I keep my eyes wide open so I can see what I'm talking about. Oh, we finna hit 200. Can we hit 200? 2-lane over there. 2-lane over there. 2-lane over there. This all I'm talking about. You gotta slow down though. You gotta slow down though. This shit just pick up speed so goddamn fast. Yeah, I'm not even in a fast boy era, but god damn, I need me another Beamer. Oh shit. Hold me down. Just let me. There we go. I get in money, making me smile. Who gon' hold me down? Puffin' on Zeus, it's too loud. It's so what? It's so fucking loud. Yeah. In there. God damn. Hold it. Hold it. There we go. There we go. I should have made that. And I did. Look at it. She gotta be a little patient on a little 2-lane joint. She gotta be a little patient. I got that. I got that torque though. It came back in there. I'm telling y'all, man, this shit is just insane. Can I stop through here? Yep. Come on, man. Come on, man. We're back at it like a crack addict. This turn. Call me Tokyo Drift. I like that. Oh. Whew. All I gotta say, man. Ooh, let me get one more rev for y'all. Alright, man. Fuck it, man. Alright, y'all. That's the end of the video, man. Appreciate y'all for hanging out with your boy. I'm just chopping up. I'm just talking. And, shit. Appreciate y'all, man. Let me know if I want more videos like this. I'm gonna drop a video today. Got a little reaction video for y'all. I might do that a little later. But let me know how I like these videos, man. I'm gonna do more. For sure. Try to spice up the content a little bit. We still sitting down, though. We finna get active outside. One day. Right now, we trying to build a little platform. Let y'all know y'all see my thumbnail, that's me. The way you walk, that's me. The way you talk, that's me. The way you got your hair on, you begin, that's me. On some Drake shit. But like, yeah, we finna take this shit up. We're gonna take it up, we're gonna take it down, we're gonna spin it around, until we're gonna turn around, for real. So, you made it to the end, tell me that y'all made it to the end, cause we locked in twin, and shit. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification. We still on the road to 15K. We still on the road to 4,000 watch hours. We're at 3,200, so tap in before you get left. Tap in before you get tapped out, for real. For real.